as the first light gently climbs over Rivier de Maas, calm and wide, where silent waters softly glide. The world awakens without a sound, golden reflections all around. The river carries dreams away, welcoming another peaceful day. Fly with the sunrise, slow and free. Fly with the sunrise, slow and free. Above the waters endlessly. Nature paints what words can't say in the quiet light of day. Every ripple tells a story, every breeze reveals its grace. The morning lives forever along Rivier de Maas. The flight continues smooth and slow to Ross like far below. Trees embrace the mirrored shore, peace is found forevermore. Birds awaken in the light, everything just feels so right. Clouds are drifting high above, wrapped in nature's gentle love. And the skyline starts to rise, morning colors fill the skies. Roermond West appears ahead, bathed in gold and softly spread. The city sleeps while nature sings, welcoming the day it brings. Fly with the sunrise, slow and free. Fly with the sunrise, slow and free. Above the waters endlessly. Every moment, every mile, nature wears its finest smile. Keep this morning in your heart, where peaceful journeys always start. The river leads us on our way into another perfect